Do you recognize me? It's Adrianne in Almost Live with Adrianne at Evelyn and Arthur. And today, did you like my mask? Isn't that great? We're going to be doing a gift with purchase with these masks. So stay tuned for that on another day. But in the meantime, are you spring cleaning? Are you trying to get rid of the stuff in your house? Well, so are we. And we have some fabulous deals here. But let me tell you about a machine, okay? This is the Hoover, and I don't work for Hoover. We don't sell this thing. But this is called the Scrub and Suck, okay? This is the greatest machine in the world. You put the cleaning fluid in there, you push the button, the liquid comes out, you scrub, 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 then you turn the handle and you do the dry vac and it sucks it up, and then you know that satisfaction you get when you see all the dirt, right? Not that my house is dirty, but I'm just telling you, and the dirt comes up, well, then you throw it out. Now this was really good for one time, okay? And after that I said, I ain't cleaning anymore, all right? I love my cleaning lady. But now back to spring cleaning at Evelyn and Arthur. So we're walking over here as I'm scrubbing and sucking and scrubbing and sucking, okay? And we have deals of deals. So right now, this is our super sale section, because you know, for us this time of year is like end of season, but some of you are still around. So this lovely sweater was originally $78. Now it's $49.99, and another 25% off is $37.49. Okay, this is an unbelievable cotton sweater, easy. You throw it on when it's not 100 degrees out here. Then we have beautiful 525 sweaters. Yes, I had to remember. And the cable, and this was originally $118, and now with all the discounts and everything, it's $67.49. And this is a fabulous sweat. Comes in this color, comes in, whoops, let's keep scrubbing and sucking, okay? And it also comes in a great pink. I mean, look at how pink. Okay, now, of course, I'm wearing my Lizette pants. I'm wearing a Gershon Bram, very overdressed for the occasion of cleaning, and a great necklace that covers lots of things if you need to cover. Well, anyway, we're open 10 to 4. I know it used to say 10 to 2. Now we're open 10 to 4, and you can make appointments and come in and visit our lovely managers in the stores. Have a great day.